peanut butter and peanut butter jelly sandwich and a banana. Ready to go. We're gonna head out to this rock cliff that I've hit two times before, never cleaned it. Today we're by ourselves, so better hope we clean it because we ain't got no help to get up it. Might have to turn around. Let's get it. To go through the oh shit. Hit some. Screw that. Not a rock guy. I don't want to get all burned out before I even get to that freaking rock cliff. I have to take a breather because it's right over here. Whew. Dude, that stuff will make you work though. Alright. Get it. Cross fingers. Nice ledge right here. This is the type where you just kind of give it the beans. Made this twice clean. Oh wow, it's crazy, like black mud. Ready? I wish I could just go back down and start over, but we're not doing it. Sorry, baby. to go. I'll let her cool off a bit. Dude, last time I went through here, I cleaned all that, like just nothing. This is the hard part. At least in my eyes. The homie goes up it like nothing. Hopefully I will too, because looks like nobody's been through here. And it's all pretty dry. Last time I went through here, there's like 5 bikes went through it. Dried it all up, I mean wetted it. He's just rat. Gotta get up it. Gotta do it. This is the part that I want to clean. Just rally. Right up it. Got to. You got to. Alright, I'm gonna take a little more time to catch my breath. Cause you know when you're all like flabbered, all like loose, you tend to mess up more. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. Let's get it. Oh man, dude. I gotta call that a win, I guess. I don't know. Why did I have to kill it? That's still not how I want. I want to just go boom, 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 you know? I didn't need no help though, so that's a plus. That's making it on your own. So, I'll take it. I'll take it, man. Last time, 2 times I needed help. The first time I needed help with that first big ledge. Second time, I kind of cleared that one, dabbed the foot, and I needed help up that little freaking ledge because it was just soaked. So, I didn't need no help this time. So we're making progress. Progress is better than no progress. I'll take it. That's a win in my book. We'll be back. Probably should have did it in the beginning of the day. And I had a lot of, when I was fresh. I don't want to go up that. They're coming down that. I've been up that plenty of times. Go back down through the creek. Let's get it. Ah! I don't recommend dragging your back like this, but this is what you gotta do. That was pretty stupid. Wish I could have made it for you guys, but always looks a lot easier than it is. Guys, smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. We tried. It did good on that first little part, but that hill climb kind of bummed me out. I should have been able to hit that. But, you know, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live to climb another day. Peace.